Find problem number 18, right? See here, let us go with this. By reading the problem, you will understand so many things. Properly, you should read. A rectangular path of 60 meter length and 3 meter width is covered by square titles of side 25 centimeter. Find the number of titles used to make this path. See, there is a path. See, let us check out this. There is a path like this, right? And this is going to be 60, right? This is going to be 60 and this is going to be 3 meter, right? Okay. Now 60 meter this is, right? Find the number of tiles used to make this path. So we are supposed to place the tiles here, right? Tiles. So what is that? So 25 centimeter, they have given it is 25 centimeter, that is square. So this is going to be 25 and 25. So what we are supposed to find the number of tiles. This is titles, they have, it is a type of mistake, it is called as tiles, right? So how many tiles we need to fill this particular path, right? That is what we are supposed to find. And you need to remember, you need to observe, this is given in terms of meter and this is given in terms of centimeter, right? So let us convert this into a centimeter. How we will convert? So rectangular, that is length, is equal to 60 meter. If you multiply it with 100, this will become centimeter, right? So what happens here? 6 3 zeros, correct. And breadth is equal to how much? That is 3 into 100, 300 centimeter. Now let us check out with the same way. We know the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So which is going to be 6000 into 300. So 6 3s are 18. 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros and centimeter square. This is what? Area of rectangle. Now let us find the area of a title here. Tiles. Area of a tiles is equal to 25 into 25. 25 into 25 is how much? 625. 625. Now what we are supposed to find? Find the total number of tiles. So total number of tiles need to fill the path is what? Area of a rectangle and area of tiles. Okay. Instead of directly multiplying and placing here, you just keep that length and breadth here, that is 6000 into 300. This will make easy for you, and as well as area of square, that is 25 into 25. Now simplify it, you will get the answer, right? 25 ones are, or you can go with the 5 also. So let me go with the 25. 25 ones are, 25 ones are here, 5 remainder, 25 twos are. This will become 12. Now I can divide this. 25 ones are, 25 twos are 50, 10 remainder, right? 25 fours are, this will become 240. So 240 into 12. Now multiply it. 12 zeros are 0, 12 fours are 48, 8, 4, 12 twos are 24 plus 4, 28. So 2880. So we need 2880 tiles to fill that path. The answer here is C.